DJI Power Super Fast Charger. Car scenario. Getting started. Update the firmware of the power station to the latest version using DJI Assistant 2 Power Series. Power off the device. It is recommended that the devices are installed by a professional, and make sure to take protective measures. Choose a location in the car to place the super fast charger, the power station, and the expansion battery. Avoid areas with high temperatures or prone to impact. Make sure the devices are well ventilated. Route the cables in the car. Avoid areas with sharp edges, areas prone to friction, or places where the cables might be compressed. Secure the cables properly. Loosen the screws of the terminals using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the washers and the screws. Connect the capped round terminals of the car charging cable to the super fast charger, the red terminal to the positive terminal, and the black to the negative. Reinstall the washers and the screws. Tighten the screws and attach the covers. Make sure the super fast charger is powered off. It is recommended to secure the product if used on a long drive with bumpy roads. Connecting the car battery. Connect the black terminal of the charging cable to the negative terminal of the car battery. Install the washer and tighten the nut. Connect the fuse cable to the positive terminal of the car battery. Install the washer and tighten the nut. Connect the red terminal of the car charging cable to the fuse cable. Install the washers and tighten the nut. Then attach the fuse box cover. Connecting the power station and expansion battery. Connect the super fast charger to the SDC port of the power station. If an expansion battery is used with the power station, connect the super fast charger to the lower port of the expansion battery. For the 1 kilowatt super fast charger, toggle the power switch to power on. The status indicator turns green after powering on. Using DJI Home app. After connecting the power station to the app, you can view the device input and output information on the home page. Tap the upper right corner to enter device settings. You can view the device information or update firmware. Tap Energy Management, Recharging Settings to set the super fast charger to auto, recharging, or charging mode. You can also set parameters for the super fast charger. In auto mode, the power station and the expansion battery will automatically switch between charging and recharging mode based on the voltage of the car battery. In recharging mode, the power station and the expansion battery will be charged. In charging mode, the power station and the expansion battery will supply power to the car battery to avoid over-discharging. For the 1 kilowatt super fast charger, press and hold the mode button to switch the mode. The solid green indicator shows the current mode.